I tried to contact the police department's records office and spoke to I guess he's the desk sergeant, I don't know, but his name is Lieutenant Paul Myers, which is one of the people that our client is making a complaint against. I asked for the records office. He asked me for my name. I gave it voluntarily. Then he asked me, what is it in regard? And I said, I need to get a police report. And he said, about what? And I said, I don't need to tell you. I just need to talk to the records office. And he said, well, you can talk to the chief. And I said, what, are you going to let me talk to the records office? And he said, I am the records office. I said, okay, well, is there any way I can talk to the records office? And he said, what is it about? And I said, I'm not going to tell you. And he asked me, are you an attorney? And I said, no, I'm not going to give you that answer. And he said, well, then you will need to submit your request in writing. And I ended the phone call there.
Okay. Is he at the main number there, or do you know?
Yeah, he's at the main number. I spoke to him before. To my knowledge, he was demoted to an office position.
Okay.
Or
give me
on an office position.
Give me what's his name again?
Lieutenant Paul Myers.
Okay. And what's the number?
Let me get the file here. Hold on a second. The police department phone number is 716-945-2330.
Okay, stand by. And what were
Sorry,
you?
I couldn't hear you.
I said stand by. You were asking for records on Kyler, right?
Yeah, but he doesn't know that. I refused to answer who it was about.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'd like to know how to obtain a copy of a police report.
Just have to file a FOIL request with the department.
Okay. And is there a records division?
Yeah, I usually prepare the FOIL request for you.
Okay, you're the one that'll be preparing it. All right. And what sort of records are available? Can I get an officer's personnel file?
That's negative.
Can I get an officer's previous arrest?
What do you mean an officer's previous arrest?
Let's say I wanted the arrest of an officer over the last 60 days.
No.
So I couldn't get any arrest reports with...
You could request it, and then we would file it to our city attorney.
Okay. And is someone required to provide identification in order to get records?
Yeah.
You have to provide ID. Is that state law or is that policy?
Policy.
That's your policy. Okay. Last question. Where would I get a copy of your policy manual?
Where would you?
Yeah, how would I get a copy and where would I get a copy?
You would have to request it through the chief of police.
Okay. Is that publicly available if you know?
No.
It's not publicly available?
Not to my knowledge, but that
So-
could be wrong, but you'd have to check with him.
Okay, so the public might not be entitled to know what policies you guys follow?
So, well, you know what, I can't answer all your questions right now. That would have to be directed to him and the city attorney, Greg.
Okay, this isn't Greg. My name is Mr. Kamau, and I'm an expert witness in a civil matter involving your department, and you're actually one of the named officers. So I was trying to figure out why you were giving out inappropriate or inaccurate information, and at this point, I'm not sure if what you're telling me is correct, but I will find out, and I appreciate you giving me your time.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Right.
All right, Greg?
Yeah, he didn't sound truthful in some of those statements.
Well, I don't believe him. So we'll just go through what we have to do. He's basically blocking because he knows that there's something in the records that might be harmful to the department. So I got what I wanted. What we're going to do is we are going to file it with the chief. No big deal. And I want you to request, well, I'm going to write a request that I want you to send over to them. Go ahead and continue doing what you're doing on Kyler's case, and I will have some additional requests for you to make on this guy.
Okay, I have an appointment to speak to Kyler this afternoon. He's going to call me when he's available, and I'm going to brief him.
Okay, good. Well, you can tell him that Mr. Kamal got on the line and, you know, dealt with the guy involved, but that we're not done.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Okay? And I'm going to make a few calls. I'll get back with you in a little bit.
Okay, I want to go over the Carney file when you get a chance.
Okay, excellent. I'll talk to you then.
Okay, talk to you later. Bye.
All right.